Well, new cancer drugs are needed because although we've made tremendous progress in many types of cancer, there are also many types of cancer where we don't have effective treatments. Also, for many cancer patients, if not the majority, it's very common that the treatment, although initially effective, stops working, and so those patients need additional treatments. And in addition, of course, some drugs have side effects that affect patients' lives that we'd really rather they didn't have. So for all those reasons, we need to continue to search for new and more effective drugs. NCRI plays a brilliant role, actually, in bringing people together. So that's bringing clinicians, laboratory scientists, patients, of course, to develop new trials. So NCRI groups in particular are good at identifying where patient outcomes need to be improved through the development of new drugs, or where existing drugs could be repurposed or combined together in more effective combinations. And NCI groups can lead those trials, or they can support other groups in larger trials to design the trial and then to deliver the trial outcomes. A great example is the work from the NCRI gynecological cancer group with bevacizumab or Avastin, where the group designed and then led the ICON-7 trial, which was designed to improve outcomes in poor prognosis types of ovarian cancer, which can be a very difficult cancer to treat, and particularly that subset that has a high recurrence rate. The trial tested whether combining Avastin with existing chemo and then continued after the chemo would delay the recurrence of the ovarian cancer. And the results showed that in a higher risk subgroup of the women, Avastin improved outcomes and extended survival for those patients. Through that, the drug is now available in England in these women with poor prognosis ovarian cancer on the Cancer Drugs Fund. So Avastin is in fact the first new drug that's improved outcomes for women with untreated ovarian cancer in 17 years.